Artifacts are basically interactive apps and websites that you can generate just by giving some prompts to the Claude. And these can be downloaded, reused, or published to share with others. And I absolutely love them. So let's create an artifact. I can select either apps or websites, document, template, what kind of artifact you want to create. Let me just select apps and websites. So here I'm going to ask it to create an app for kids to learn solar systems. So let me provide it a detailed prompt. Let me just click on it. And if you are wondering how I was able to write such a big prompt, let me be very honest, I can never write such big, long and perfect prompts. I actually used Claude only to return me a perfect prompt. All I asked it was this, that give me a detailed prompt to create an amazing and very attractive and interesting learning app for my kid to learn about the solar system thoroughly. Now let me enter. So it has started the coding right in front of your eyes. It might take some time because it is not that easy to create such kind of app. So let's wait until it finishes. Wow, so the app is ready and it has got all the planets. Now let's click on Earth. And it is providing a lot of wow facts for kids to learn. You can go back and then click on any kind of planet. There is quiz as well. What planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. So it is also tracking the score over here. And it has also provided the glossary. What is orbit? What is comet? And finally, some badges. Amazing. And now you can understand just to create this kind of app, it can actually take days or weeks. And you know what? You can even go ahead and publish it. Just click on publish and copy link. And then you can share this link with your friends, kids, or kids in your family. And if you want, you can actually go ahead and even customize it further. Let me ask it to make these changes. Add sound effects to the quiz, make the sun explode with a solar flare animation, and add a section about black holes. So it has started coding again to make these changes. Okay, so now it is ready with the modified version, and let's see if it has actually made those changes or not. So it has provided me something for black holes. Let me also check the sound effect in the quiz. Closest to the sun, Mercury. Now it has also added the sound effect and make the sun explode with the solar flare animation. Let's check that as well. So it's exploding with solar flare animation. Awesome, awesome. And again, you can go ahead and then publish.